Presenting a new era of wireless access control solutions with PDQ locks powered by Spintly, your key to seamless security. Move your key fobs into the smartphone and adopt a smarter way to manage access to your properties. You can unlock your doors with your smartphone by using the Spintly app. We bring you simplicity and cost-effectiveness to your needs. The Spintly cloud-based software provides an easy access management platform, analytics, and real-time notifications about activities in your property. These smart locks securely connected to the cloud, allowing remote access to verified users. Now manage all aspects of your residential or commercial real estate with a single platform. PDQ powered by Spintly, where convenience meets security.